Hard work never goes in vain. In Devagiri, there ruled a king named Shivananda. His minister, Sheshagiri, was a cunning man. Right next to a farmer Sithaya's field, there was a plot of land that belonged to the minister. He had bought it many years ago but had completely neglected it. One day, the minister remembered his field and went to check on it, only to find it overrun with wild shrubs, rocks, and debris. This will take a lot of time and money to clear. What should I do now? He pondered. Just then, he noticed Sithaya's field nearby, lush and green. Greed took over, and he decided he must claim that fertile land as his own. He went over to Sithaya, who was working in the field, and accused him. What's this? Did you start farming in my land just because I didn't pay attention to it? Startled, the farmer replied. No sir, this is my land. I've been farming here for years. But the minister insisted. No, your land is that one next to this, filled with rocks and weeds. A heated argument broke out. Sithaya, seeking justice, began walking to the king's court. Since the minister had a horse cart, he reached the king first and falsely complained. My king, Sithaya has occupied my land and is claiming the rocky wasteland as his own. Believing the minister's words, the king ordered Sithaya to vacate the fertile field. With no choice left, Sithaya accepted the rocky land and decided to turn it into a cultivable field. He toiled hard for a month, cleared it, and prepared it for sowing. One day, the king and the minister were returning from a neighboring kingdom. As they passed by, the king noticed Sithaya watering his new field and also tending to the crop in the old one. Surprised, the king asked, Sithaya, didn't I tell you that field isn't yours? Why are you still watering that crop? Sithaya humbly replied, My king, I have cultivated that field from the beginning. Seeing the crop drying up from lack of water pained me deeply. No one is taking care of it now, so I am watering it myself. The king turned to the minister and asked, Why are you neglecting that field now? The minister stumbled and gave vague, inconsistent answers. Realizing something was off, the king firmly questioned him. The minister finally confessed, My king, please forgive me. The rocky land is actually mine. I couldn't bear to clean it up, so I lied in hopes of taking over Sithaya's fertile land and reaping profits from it. I deceived you out of greed. Outraged by this betrayal, the king banished the minister from the kingdom and restored the land to Sithaya. Sithaya bowed to the king with gratitude, knowing well that hard work never goes in vain, and deceit never stays hidden for long. For more stories, please like, share, and subscribe to the Busy Happy Life channel. Thank you.